Select the polygon tool. Select gradient for the fill. Select or create a gradient with 2 colors. Select no color for the stroke. Press Shift and create your shape. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Pucker and Bloat. Use an amount of 100%. Align the flower in the center of your canvas. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Transform. Make the horizontal and vertical scale 110%. Make the angle 15 degrees. Increase the amount of copies until the entire canvas is filled. And that's how you create this gradient flower spiral.